Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here. Welcome back to our channel. And for today's video guys is we're going to unbox and do our review of the Ultrahuman Ring. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel. And yes guys, we have here a package and this is from Ultrahuman Ring. And I actually got this one guys for a couple of weeks, and this is more like a re-unboxing because I have already tried the product and I have tested it. But before that, I am going to show you what's in the box. So this is their Ultrahuman Ring box guys. So let's open this one. Okay, so here it is. And guys, when you order this Ultrahuman Ring, they will actually send you first the sizing kit. So the sizing kit guys, it actually will be sent to you, a week or earlier or days before you get the product itself, because they need to check the size of your ring. In my case, I got the ring size and I have here the 12 because I'm gonna wear this one using my index finger. So this is their packaging and it's pretty nice. It's pretty straightforward. And voilà guys, so we have here the manual. Okay, so if you have any questions, and the ring itself. So let's set this one aside. Okay, and we have here the Ultrahuman sticker. We have here it really smells good guys here. So it says there, decode the signs of your sleep and recovery. So this is a reminder here. And what else? We have here the charger. Okay, and also the Type-C cable that will be attached to the charger. Okay, let's set them aside. And we have here the product itself. Ta-da! So it's actually made of titanium, so it's pretty good guys. So it is rust proof. Okay, and inside, so you have there the chips or the different devices or electronic device. It's in there that will actually track your sleep and your heart rate. And actually guys, I have tested this one, and you can actually download the application on your app iStore or your Play Store. That's Ultrahuman app, and there you can set them up. And then after that one, you have to wear the ring consistently, and after that they will actually track your sleep and your heart rate. So whether it went down or it went dramatically up. So I've tested with this one guys, and all I can say is that it's really nice. Especially a couple of weeks ago I had some problems sleeping, and I have problem concentrating because of my eyes. So it really did give me the record on how or what are the things that that can actually affect my heart rate and also my sleeping pattern. And more on that guys, it can actually monitor also your oxygen level and also your stress. So this is really a very nice application. And one thing I've also learned is that whenever you're about to go to bed, this ring will actually light up. So it kind of signifies that hey, you are already sleeping. So this is really for me a very good ring. It's pretty handy and it does not interfere with when you're doing something. And what else? It will really give you that data that you need, especially if you are very busy, you cannot sleep. So it will actually also give you some reminders or some tips on how to make your sleep better, or on how you can actually keep track with your health. So I will actually put the link of the name of the app of the Ultrahuman app. And yes, guys, all I can say is that if you are really into your health, you need to invest with this kind of gadget, because it will help you track with your medical conditions. Yes, guys. And if you're interested with our Ultrahuman Ring, I will actually put the link in the description box. And it's really a very nice thing that you can actually also give to yourself, especially this Christmas season, because I believe that for us to be able to work effectively is we must really take care of our health. So as they said, health is wealth. So guys, if you're interested, you just feel free to contact them. They're very friendly. And yes, guys, all I can say is that we have to really take good care of our health. So guys, that's it for today's video, and I will see you on our next video, guys. And if you like this video, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. Once again, this is Josh, and we'll see you guys in our next video.